everybody wants to be a content creator here on YouTube. Yes, it's fair. You want to make money here on YouTube. You want to start earning. You want to be among the YouTubers that make millions of naira here on YouTube. But there are some things you don't know that you need to know before becoming a YouTuber. Yes, in 2025, these are the things you need to know. I'm going to be listing them in today's video. Number one, YouTube is hard. That is the fact that most people are not talking about. YouTube is hard, but it is worth it. Yes, you want to start making content. You have choose your niche. You start uploading your content out there, but you are getting frustrated because you're not getting the views. You have done a lot of things, but you're not getting the views. The fact is, YouTube is hard. It's a gradual process. It's a gradual process does not mean you will just keep uploading and not work towards improving your content or putting the necessary settings. Yes, YouTube is hard. It's a gradual process, but before that, you need to put in the effort yourself. Yes, you need to put in the effort. That is why it's advisable to watch videos about how to grow on YouTube. It is really advisable, and it's not all the things that they tell you there that you will do. Look, those things that they tell you, and look at it. That is this thing helping my channel? If it's not, stop it. Choose what is helping your channel. Choose what is helping your channel. Why? Number two is know how to create thumbnails. You don't want to start a YouTube channel and you are just stuck there uploading videos without creating thumbnails. You must learn how to create little thumbnails. Yes, it's a gradual process. You start improving. So you need to know how to create thumbnails. There are different apps that you can use to create thumbnails. You can even copy people's thumbnails. I think copying them will be easier for you. You will know what to put there. You know what to put there. From there, you keep improving, creating ideas of thumbnails by yourself. That is it. Number three, use catching title. As they say, your thumbnail and your title is what your audience see before they see your content, right? So you need to create catching thumbnail, and your title should be attractive. Your title should make your audience want to open that video and watch it. So from there, if you start doing that, we start growing little by little. There are some audience that they will just click away even if your video is catchy, even if your title and your thumbnail is catchy. They don't care about it because you are new, you are starting, so they'll be like, this one does not have anything to offer. But don't give up. Just keep uploading as they are seeing your video every time. One day they'll want to open it, and from there, maybe that your content that they open is very valuable. They'll go back to your other content and watch it for themselves. Number four, learn about tags and hashtags. I've talked about this in my previous video. Hashtag is like keywords relating to that your video, and YouTube have said it that it's not really, hashtag does not really give you the views, but it help your audience. It help you to recommend that your video. Like when you use hashtag relating to your videos and someone is looking for something that you talked about in your video, they can just, maybe you use hashtag like how to grow on YouTube or how to create a catchy thumbnail. You use the hashtag or tags, one of them. Then I come on YouTube search bar and I click on how to create a catchy thumbnail. YouTube might recommend your videos to me. So that is why it's good to always put hashtag. So you need to learn how to get hashtag relating to that your video. You can go to my other videos. I've talked about how to get hashtag, which is very easy to do. Learn how to put end screen and cards. I think I've taught this thing. End screen make you link other videos to one particular video. You link each of your videos together, so when someone is watching this and they can just be seeing the cards up there, how to grow, they can just leave that your particular video and click on that one. Maybe that is what they want to even learn about, or after they finish watching your video, they see some other end screen that you put the title and all, they want to click on it to watch it. So from there, you are driving audience from one particular video to other videos. So that is why it's good to know how to put end screen and cards to your videos. Number 6, put necessary settings. As I said from the beginning, yes, YouTube is a gradual process, but that doesn't mean that you should just keep uploading without figuring out what is wrong with your video. If you're not on the necessary setting you need to on, or if you put them off. So you need to know these things. You need to know how to set up a YouTube channel properly before making your videos, before uploading. You understand? And as I said, watch videos on how to grow. There are lots of big YouTubers that talk on how to grow here on YouTube. Things you need to know. No matter the niche you are, you need to still know these things. You need to still know these things. And we have come to the end of today's video. Make sure you do these things I have said, because it's really going to help you. Starting a YouTube a channel and knowing all these things is like, it will be very easy for you. At the beginning you already know it, so it's just for you to keep implementing it and keep uploading. In no time you are going to go viral, you're going to start earning, you're going to get monetized and all. So if you're still watching at this time and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video, and share the video to those people that you think want to create a YouTube channel like yourself. Bye. See you in my next video.